Make money with Chatgpt by using it for emails, blogs and research. Chatgpt can write essays, solve engineering problems and even give life advice. 1. Use it to write scripts. As YouTuber Franklin Hatchett says, you can make $19,000 a month by making videos with scripts you get from Chatgpt. 2. Find keywords and SEO help. Chatgpt can help generate titles, find strong keywords and create meta descriptions that attract click-throughs. 3. Product descriptions. Using Chatgpt to describe products you sell will save time and money. 4. Website copy. Just as Chatgpt can write scripts, it can also write blog posts. 5. Email messages. Luckily, Chatgpt can make it faster and easier. Want more ways to make money online? We can help. Fun side jobs, 5 off-the-wall ways to make money online.